The male clubwing mannequin, these researchers at Cornell University discovered, sings with its wings. Okay, yes. It vibrates its wings and it makes a sound. Now, for the mannequin to do this, it means his wing bones have to be solid, not hollow like every other bird on the planet. And that's a problem because that makes it harder to fly, to have solid wing bones. Yet, and that's kind of a problem if you're a bird. But here's the deal. The lady mannequins really love it when those wings vibrate. They love those males who can sing with the wings. And so, the mannequin lets it go. Now, what does a male clubwing mannequin wing song sound like? Sounds like this. Now you're ready to hit it. Now he's really going to go crazy. Oh, 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 whoa! Whoa, now he shows us the whole. Then let me tell you, you may not find that hot, but if you were a female clubwing mannequin, you'd be all hot and bothered right now. That bird has some riz, okay?